Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your folder icon in Windows 11, or if you're using Windows 10. Like I have changed these three folder icons to custom icons. As you can see, there's a notebook and also changing to a Spider-Man and Batman theme folder. These are just empty folder that I created. There's nothing in it, but I just changed the custom icon. So there's already a folder icon. As you can see, I'm going to show you how to change that icon to a custom icon, anything or any character logo that you want. So to do that, you need to go to Google and search for this iconarchive.com, which is a free website to download any type of logo or icon that you want. As you can see, there's more than 500,000 icons for free. You don't have to log in or subscribe to this website. This is a very useful website that you can download lots of icons for your Windows 11, or if you're using Windows 10. You can also search from here that your favorite logo, icon, or any show that you like. As you can see, people are searching for Arrow, Home, Mail, Phone, or Camera. So I'm just go to the popular section and just select a random icon pack here to show you how to do that. So if I like this icon packs here, so just click it. And here, let's say I like this icon here, so just click on it. And then you just need to click on this all download formats. To download for Windows, you need to download this ICO download format option here. So just click on this download ICO and it will just automatically download to your download folders. So after that, you just need to click on this, right click on this new folder that you want to change the icon, right click on it, then click on this properties option. After that, you need to click on this customize option. Then here you will find the option called change icon. Click on it. Then you just need to browse to the folder that you have downloaded the icon. Click on browse. I downloaded the folder in downloads icon, so just click on the download, and here I find that the icons that I have downloaded. So just click on the downloaded icon, click open, click OK, click apply, then OK. Now as you can see, my folder has changed to that icon that I have downloaded. So that's it guys. This is how you can download and change any custom icon that you want from this website. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Please leave a comment and like, and thanks for watching.